Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I wanna kinda share some products I got from Cosrx. I got this beauty products yesterday. They didn't send me for making this video, they just sent me for some reasons because I applied for their ambassadors but I was not chosen. But they kindly send me a lot of their products, so I'm really excited to share them because I haven't checked them out. I got this package yesterday and I was so tired after work. I got this package like afternoon, and after finishing my work I just went back to sleep. I was literally so tired, and yesterday was Friday. I usually film on Saturdays after finishing my workout, so it's the perfect time to share some of beauty items with you guys. Anyway, without much further ado, let's get right into it. This is the box they sent me yesterday. I just opened this box like this because I just brag about it to my parents, like, oh mom, this brand is so cool, they sent me a lot of stuff. And then I went back to sleep. I was so tired literally. I'm trying to do so many things at the same time, and that makes me kind of exhausted. I don't know, I'm that kind of person. I'm greedy or I'm enthusiastic, I don't know. Yeah, so at first I literally just opened it, so I don't know what kinds of products are in this box. And can you see the bottom of the box is really pretty, like they are, oh, because I don't want to show my address and just worry about that. They are like a cute illustration on the bottom of it. Oh, and there's a cute sentence here. Let me see. We take away your troubles and provide trustworthy solution and relief. Yeah, it means maybe skincare and self-care. This is get really stressed out, I don't know, for many reasons, so I need some self-care. Yeah, I'm doing my best to do self-care on the weekend basis. So at first I want to see this one, Propolis Energy Toner. Oh, okay, so there's also English description and there is also Korean description. Propolis extract, honey extract. Oh, so these are for like a good ingredients for protecting our skin, right? Yeah, so it's gonna be nice. I want to open it. It looks big though. I have so many toners. So excited to try this. Oh, okay. It's in a beautiful bottle. It's not completely worthy product. I don't know. I think it's worthy. But because of the honey extract, like it has this yellow color like honey. Yeah, I don't want to open it, but let me just smell it. Oh, it doesn't have like a strong smell. Oh, it's like a worthy product. You can see. Yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Oh, it's so cool. Like, it's not just like worthy toner. It's a bit like honey. Oh, okay. So it has more like an active ingredient and it's richer compared to just worthy toner. So I'm really excited because my skin gets drier, especially this transition season from fall to winter. It's getting cold here, so very excited because I almost finished on my toner. So I'm gonna use this one after finishing my current toner. There we go. The next one is Synergy Pad, Daily Pad. Okay. Oh, they sent me the whole collection. Oh, I think it's like a toner pad. This is, I'm really into toner pad. They are really convenient. I think that's like a Korean beauty thing these days. I have so many pads. I don't know. Many brands sent me. Okay. But the more is better. Oh yeah, these are. There you go. You can see the active ingredients inside of it. Wow, it has a lot of essence inside of it. I really like toner pads. They are really convenient and they also help me to exfoliate my skin. Exfoliate, I don't know the right pronunciation. Anyway, I really like to use it because I almost finished my toner pad. Yeah, this is a beauty product. And the other one is, what is this? Oh, Ampoule cushion. Oh my god, I think this is a makeup product. Yeah, yes, I need this foundation. 21 Ivory. It's like a normal Korean skin tone. I have like a bit fair. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. It's like a cushion pad. Oh, the package is so cute. Because I only have liquid foundation and I've used this type of products before when I was in college from OOTDs. At the time that was really popular. I can use it outside, especially we wear mask. Because of the mask I need to fresh up my makeup, you know, especially base makeup. Because of the mask, get rid of all my foundation. So I feel like this guy helped me to make me look better outside. I'm very excited because I thought they just sent me skincare products, but they also have beauty products. I'm very happy about that, and I usually use liquid foundation, so I feel like it's gonna be a good collection into my makeup product. And they also sent me this sheet mask. I used this product before. It's very good. It also has a propolis and royal jelly from honeybees. Yeah, I think that's the whole theme of the collection. Excited. And the other one is propolis ampoule. Oh yeah, I showed it before. Is it different? Oh, it's so nice. They also sent me 23 color natural beige. It's a bit darker. I really need. They know my needs because I got tanned. I did the self tan yesterday. I was really tired after work, but I did. I was very proud of myself. Maybe you can see that well because I'm wearing like a long sleeve top, but yes, a bit different. Very happy. They know my needs. 23 colors, so I can mix and match those colors, you know. Boom. Very happy about that. I've been feeling quite low for many reasons, but I'm good at cheering myself up. I'm good at picking myself up, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm very independent woman. No? Oh, alright. The next one is Propolis Light Cream. Okay. Propolis Royal Jelly Extract. I really need a cream. I shared one of the lotions in my favorite beauty kind of videos. I almost used that up, so I need this guy really. Yeah, let's see. And I'm gonna use it. So yeah, I think this kind of propolis cream was really famous, was hit before. I hope it's like a really rich, yeah, it's like a rich cream here. Very happy about it because I need rich cream. I'm 30 years old, so I need more richness and more active ingredients for my skin, for self-care. Oops, it's getting cold. This is, I feel like I've kind of neglecting myself for some reasons. I feel like I focus on too much achieving things as fast as possible, and I just put so much energy to pursue my endeavors. That's really good thing because I feel happy whenever I get done and achieve things I want. But the process, I wanna enjoy the process, but that's really hard. I wanna always to see the result, always the place where I wanna go, and kind of feel down or disappointed or sad or something like that whenever I feel like the thing I wanna achieve is too far from the reality, and that makes me hate my current reality. But I wanna enjoy all the process, although that's hard. So I'm trying to get my mind right. You know, that's pretty hard. The next one is Ampoule. Yeah, light Ampoule. It has vitamin B5 ingredients, so it's helped me to build up my skin. Let me see. I have a lot of Ampoules to be honest, but I'm kind of lazy to use Ampoule, so I'm trying to use it, especially at night. In the morning, I use a least amount of product for my skin because I'm lazy in the morning. Yeah, so it's cute Ampoule. And there's one more product. I don't know. I really want to see what the last product is. Full Fit Pro Barrier Complex Overnight Mask. Overnight mask. I love mask, but I'm not a big fan of wash off type of mask. I hope I can just sleep with it because I'm lazy. Not lazy, but I just lack time these days, especially during weekdays. Yeah. Oh, that's good. There's directions After rinsing and toning, apply evenly on the face, leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. There you go. So I don't have to wash it off at night. That's very amazing. I think I'm gonna use this guy and this mask tonight. Maybe at different nights because I feel like I couldn't use this product at the same time. Anyway, very happy about this, guys. I really need some self-care. Please don't exert myself. I'm telling myself. If you're a person like me, please don't exert yourself. I think that's kind of waste of energy and time. I don't know. But why I do like that. So there's nothing inside of it. There are boxes and there's a cute, bottom. Yeah, why their package is so pretty and cute. Anyway, thanks Cosrx again for sending me this product. I just posted one of the reviews of their products, but they kindly sent me a lot of products. I'm so happy about that. Yeah, it's a bit sad I was not chosen as their global ambassadors kind of things, like getting their product or be their ambassadors. But yeah, I know my channel is so small. Maybe a lot of big beauty YouTubers they applied for because this brand is famous. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching it again. If you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness related video every week. And let me know if you know in-depth reviews about those products. And I have many ideas I wanna do, but I told you guys I start a new job. Basically, I have two jobs. In the morning in afternoon, so because I need to pay my bill, I need to survive. But I try to keep uploading consistently 2 times a week. That's my ultimate goal. Yeah, maybe I chose the date on Tuesday and Saturday, so I will keep my promise. If I really can't make the promise, like I'm gonna die or I have a severe disease or something like that, except those extreme situations, I will be consistent. So yeah, that's all my plan. Anyway, thanks for watching it again, and I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.